All right, continuing on with our extremity and skull pathology discussion. For destructive diseases, it's going to be something that makes the area of the body less dense or thin. It involves a thinning of the bone or decrease in density of the bone. And so for, say, osteoporosis is reduction in bone mass, and it's usually from aging, right? Your elderly patients, their bones will be less dense than most of your younger adult patients. Anything with the word degenerative in there should say that something's kind of getting less quality than it was originally, okay? There's a natural loss of joint cartilage, tends to be in the knee area for a lot of your adult patients. Osteomalacia or rickets. This is specific to a decrease in absorption of vitamin D or calcium. It makes the bones more soft. Rickets, image-wise, they usually have the bowing of the legs. Osteogenesis imperfecta, or OI, is the brittle bone disease. It could be multiple myeloma, where it's the most common type of primary malignant bone tumor. It looks like punched out appearance, so there's like holes almost in the bone. Osteolytic metastasis. This is when metastatic cancer cells are breaking down too much of the bone. It makes it weak. Gout is when there's an increase in uric acid production, resulting in bone erosion, usually in the big toe. Carcinoma. It's most common type of cancer. It begins in the epithelial tissue. Aseptic necrosis is when there's loss of blood flow to the bone tissue, and then active osteomyelitis is the bacterial bone infection. And just here's some pictures here. So this first one is a demonstration of osteogenesis imperfecta. This is the brittle bone disease, and they might have a lot of fractures or healing fractures. Gout tends to be in the big toe and involves the uric acid production. Rickets is really causing the softening of this area of bone here. Multiple myeloma, in this picture here, you can see the punched out appearance. It looks like almost a hole punch. Osteomyelitis, there's an infection involved, and you can see this round area here is darker than the rest of the anatomy. And then these two wrist images here were just an example of osteoporosis. You can see how solid white these bones look and clearly have a healthy amount of density. And as we age, we lose bone density. And you can see how they have thinned, and it's more gray and even black in some areas. And so that would be your osteoporosis.